Good morning, student. Today's topic is interface Python with MySQL. It is the most important part of our syllabus. Basically, in this chapter, we will deal that how the data with Python and MySQL will connect together. That is known as database connectivity. Database connectivity refers to the connection and the communication between an application and a database. For this, we are required the MySQL connector. It is a library or a package to connect from Python to MySQL. But there must be a one connection that establish between Python and MySQL. A connection is a session between the application program and the database. To do anything with the database, one must have a connection object. Now, one more thing, that is a cursor. A database cursor is a special control structure that facilitates the row by row proceedings of records in the result set. That is the set of records retrieved as per query. Now, as result set refers to the logical set of records that are fetched from the database by executing a query and made available to the application program.